How to recover WhatsApp View Once photo. Let's get started. So there's a part one. So here's the method one. You can use KidsGuard for WhatsApp. So this is the best method to reopen WhatsApp View Once messages using voices, image, and videos. It is a third-party app like KidGuard for WhatsApp. So first thing you want to do is click on the monitor now, and then go to the top, click Guard Member Center, or the My Product, and then click Start Monitoring tab. Now from here, you can then get the access to the target device and download the app through the installapk.net and then bind your WhatsApp account with this app. So in the app, you can even see all your messages on the dashboard. You can click the chat buttons and view the view once messages. As you can see here, it is shown. Now, this is how also you can reopen WhatsApp view once messages on iOS devices. So click the iOS options on your PC, go to the WhatsApp settings, click the chats button, and then you will be able to see all the view once messages. And that is how you can reopen the view once photos on WhatsApp.